Hey guys, Vimal here. Welcome back to my channel. This is one of the most exciting booths I wanted to show you all at Computex 2025. Welcome to Kingston's booth. This year, Kingston's theme was all about being committed to the AI future. At their booth, they didn't just showcase their products. In fact, they were highlighting how their products and memory solutions were making real impact in the AI industry, robotics, and creative space. I mean, check it out. Here we got to check out robots, science projects, new memory product launches, and literally rockets. What? So Kingston's booth was divided into three zones: Kingston Intelligence Hub, Fury Acceleration Center, and Innovative Creators Lab, each showcasing very interesting tech. Let's start off with the Fury Acceleration Center, because I know most of my audience love gaming and performance-oriented tech, right? So this might be something out of your interest. So guys, we're here at Kingston's Fury Acceleration Center, and Kingston has displayed all of their Fury products, newly launched ones. The first thing that caught my eye over here was their all-new Kingston Fury Renegade G5 SSD. It's their all-new PCI Gen 5 SSD powered by Silicon Motion and comes with an advanced thermal design. It's a beast SSD, guys, that offers like insane read and write speeds of up to 14,800 MB per second, available in multiple capacities from 1 TB to 4 TB and depending on your requirement. Followed by, we also had their memory product lineup, Kingston's Fury Beast and Kingston Fury Renegade DDR5 RGB. Now this is an excellent RAM kit, and I'm pretty sure you people might have seen already in plenty of my videos, especially PC builds, right? I've been using the Fury Renegade DDR5 RGB quite a lot of times, especially for their great performance and reliability. They also come with Kingston Fury infrared sync technology that links all the RAM modules together, so they're always in sync with the lighting and whole RGB stuff. I mean, check it out. A demo for that was also showcased in this beautiful looking gaming PC displayed over here. Now moving on, this is the main stuff I've been waiting to show you all. Kingston's Fury Impact DDR5 CAM2 memory. Remember guys, last year also we got to check out their early samples and prototypes, and this year looks like they made some improvements and we're showcasing two models, demoed on a Gigabyte Z890 or a Stackion ICE motherboard. These CAM2 memories will be available in different capacities from 32 GB all the way up to 128 GB, which is almost double than the previous model we've seen last year. It's not yet available to the public as of now, they're still in testing and prototype phase only, but I believe the upcoming Intel Panther Lake motherboards might support them guys by the end of the year. Stay tuned for that news. Anyways, moving on to the next zone, here we came to Kingston Intelligence Hub, hosting server and enterprise grade products. The first thing that caught my eye here was their AI powered inspection robot. Kingston has collaborated with TIRC, Taiwan Intelligent Robotics Company, to actually build this robot, and totally runs on Kingston's memory and storage components. Basically, this robot is used for like monitoring operations and gathers data. You can send it remotely to any place, and there's also a camera at the top for vision purpose, and basically collects all the data, transmits it to servers in real time where all the AI processing happens, and after that optimal resolutions are taken. I mean, check this thing out guys, you can literally control this robot using an Xbox joystick, and is very cool. Now this is the kind of tech you'd expect to see in AI operated factories where employees or people working over there can send it remotely for data collection and real time AI processing, all running on Kingston's memory and SSD products. Moving on, we also got to check out some server racks from Gigabyte featuring Kingston Server Premier DDR5 RAM and also DC series PCI Gen 5 SSDs. Now they might not look flashy from the first impressions, but trust me, the specs are nuts. These Gen 5 SSDs can offer read and write speeds of up to 14,000 MB per second, very fast for server related applications. In the DC series, we also have M.2 format SSDs guys, the DC2000B, paired with their Server Premier DDR5 memory with clock speeds of up to 6400 and 128 GB per stack. Lastly, moving on to their final zone, this was their Innovative Creators Lab, and this is where I found a freaking rocket. Yep, you heard me right. But this is not an actual product, and unfortunately no, you cannot buy this or have fun. It was actually designed using Kingston's products by some engineering students. I mean, you can check out the video that is playing over here on the screen, like how those students work together to build this rocket in a CAD software, all done on Kingston's memory and SSD products. To be honest, I was totally not expecting Kingston to step into aerospace field, but well, here we are. Last but not the least, in the creator zone only, we also got to check out their range of external SSDs, the XS1000 and XS2000 as well, with the XS1000 getting a brand new look featuring Kingston's iconic red head mascot and their new tagline, built on commitment. Great for vloggers and content creators, especially looking for like pocket sized SSDs which you can easily carry anywhere, and also offers like really good speeds of up to 1050 MB per second. Well, that is pretty much it, guys. Time to wrap it up. Our complete tour of Kingston's booth at Computex 2025. So what did you people like the most at their place? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you all enjoyed watching it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.